Being in a relationship is one thing, but being emotionally available is another. A lot of people go into relationships without being emotionally available. Sometimes our relationships or friendships fail not because we are bad or didn't give it our best shot, but because we lack emotional availability. Hear this: being emotionally available in a relationship means that a person is capable of and willing to share their emotions, thoughts, and feelings with their partner in a healthy and meaningful way. Here are some key aspects of emotional availability. Number one, open communication. Emotionally available individuals are willing to engage in open and honest conversation or communication with their partner. They express their feelings and thoughts, listen actively, and encourage their partner to do the same. Number two, vulnerability. You must be comfortable being vulnerable with your partner or friend. Sharing your fears, insecurities, and past experiences without fear of judgment or rejection. Number three, empathy. You must have the ability to understand and empathize with your partner's emotions and experiences. You must be supportive and compassionate when your partner is going through difficult times. Number four, consistency. Emotionally available people are consistent in their actions and words. They are reliable and dependable in the relationship, which builds trust. Number five, conflict resolution. You handle conflicts and disagreements in a constructive and respectful manner, seeking solutions and compromise rather than resulting to blame or avoidance. Number six, independence and togetherness. You must strike a balance between maintaining your individuality and being emotionally connected with your partner. You should respect your partner's boundaries while nurturing the emotional connection. Number seven, past relationship baggage. Emotionally available individuals have typically processed and resolved any emotional baggage from past relationships. When you're emotionally available, you don't let past issues negatively impact your current relationship or friendship. Number eight, commitment. Emotionally available people are committed to the growth and success of the relationship. They invest time and effort into building a strong emotional bond with their partner. Number nine, self-awareness. Emotionally available people have a good understanding of their own emotions and can communicate their needs and boundaries clearly. This self-awareness helps in fostering a healthy emotional connection. Number 10, willingness to grow. You must be open to personal growth and self-improvement. You recognize that emotional availability is an ongoing process and must be willing to work on yourself and the relationship. So, in summary, emotional availability in a relationship means being present, open, and responsive to one's own emotions and those of their partners. It involves creating a safe and supportive space for emotional expression and connection, which is essential for a healthy and fulfilling relationship. I hope these tips or points will help you. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. As always, kindly subscribe, like, and share with your family, friends, and loved ones. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you do not miss out on any of my videos.